Lagoon's Rocket. Please quickly proceed to your assigned seat and place any personal items in the storage bins located directly in front of your seat. Sit back completely against the seat and pull your safety restraint all the way down until it rests securely against you. If you require any assistance, please signal a ride attendant now. Please rest your head back against the headrest and hold on to the safety restraint handles. Prepare for launch and enjoy your ride.
I'm Sigma! My bad!
Welcome back. After your safety restraint has been released, please retrieve any personal items and follow the arrows to the exit. Thank you for riding the Rocket, and enjoy the rest of your day here at Lagoon.